A Kenyan expert had said that the Communist Party of China is the soul of the Chinese nation and highlighted its role in serving the interests of its people. Stephen Negwa, an international relations lecturer at the United States International University Africa, made the remarks on the occasion of the CPC marking its 102nd founding anniversary on Saturday.
The CPC is the soul of the nation, it is the soul of the people, it is a philosophy that is ingrained in the minds of all Chinese people towards socio-economic development. Yeah, definitely the CPC, as the soul of the nation, serves the interests of the people because it is representative from what you call the grassroots to the top leadership. Every location, every district, every province is taken care of within the bigger body of the CPC. So all decisions are made to serve the people in their different locations.
Speaking of China's democracy, Negwa pointed out that Chinese officials are carefully selected based on their demonstrated commitment to the people.
China has come up with its own form of democracy that is able to gauge your performance, that is able to vet your character, your integrity. You have to have shown that you have a heart for the people, and it is the people you want to work for in the future.